Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Orina Spice. Today I'm making some beans and rice. And there I have some nice seasoning here. As you can see, the seasoning is, all here. I have to cut them up, clean them. And then I will add in, I have tomato paste here. I also have a sauce. And then this is the beans. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm making today. And let's get this started. Hey guys, as you can see, I grind up the seasoning so it can be more concentrated and nice. And I have chipped some onion at the side there. So in the next step now, I'm gonna start the cooking. So keep watching. Hey guys, as you can see, I have 3 cups of rice here. I'm doing a little extra because we have some here for a birthday party. But anyway, this is it. So I wash it and I have it here. So next I'm gonna show you how we get this prepared. Anyway, I'm gonna put some oil in this pan. Hey guys, so I'm gonna put the oil. I put the oil in, and now I'm gonna do the seasoning. So here goes. You want to fry this a little. So since this frying, we're gonna add the tomato paste in this. I'm gonna add a sauce, some tomato paste and some sauce. Okay, so we're gonna blend all of these up. So I'll let this come down a little, then we're gonna throw the rice in. So this is gonna fry down a little bit to the oil. Then I put the rice in. Usually I just soak the beans, and I just put the beans in there as it's cooking now before you put the rice in. But the problem is I don't have the so I'm gonna do the canned beans. I don't have the fresh one, so I use the canned one. So we're gonna put that in later, the beans. So now we're gonna add the rice. By the way, we're using basmati rice. You can use any other rice, but I like the basmati rice. It's more flavorful, and the grains are more kind of a little longer. Anyway, so we put all the rice in, so now we're gonna this rice fried down with this with all the sauces until all coated. So this has to fry and come down to the oil. So we're gonna add some salt. You know, you add salt according to your taste. I guess that's enough. And we're gonna put some black pepper too. So we're using some rainbow peppercorn here. Like in a different color. It's like black pepper. So let this fry down. So now we're gonna add the beans. About to add the water, but I'm gonna add the beans before I do.
I gotta hurry.
Anyway, so this is the anyway, so we have 3 cups of rice there, and that's how we work it. We have to use every cup of rice is 1 cup, 2 cup of water. So now I have 6 cup of water here right now, and I'm about to turn this put the water into the rice, and then you're gonna boil until it come down and finish. So that's 6 cup of water in here to the 3 cup of rice. Yeah, as you see, it's coming to a boil now. So I want to put some olive in it. These are black olive, not the green one. I guess it's okay. So you guys can see now it's you gotta put it very slow, and you're gonna cook gradually until it finished. So very nice. I put the olive in, the beans in, and everything, the seasoning, black pepper. So it's looking all good. Let's see if you need some more salt. Perfect. So here guys, now we're gonna put it at simmer and let this cook until it finishes. So you'll see it as it's coming along. Hey guys, as you can see, we're gonna check it now. This may be the final part of it. Let's see. Oh my God, it's finished. Look, if you notice, it's dry. Very nicely done. So this is Orina Spice. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's kind of hot and a little foggy, but as it's coming down, you will see a better picture. So there it is. It look much better here. And I must say thank you guys for watching. It was nice for you guys.